Hi guys, the first I want say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's in to watch my videos. So, 1, 2, 3, check it out. I want to make a two. This packet, but I don't want this. So, this I forgot. So this. This one, guys, finish, or you can just don't duplicate the and he again, but this one he is wet. Sorry, guys. How miss? Sorry. Okay, guys, I know it. Okay, this design. So this T. Okay. So this how to this? Why before that I like this it. So maybe I want to duplicate it. So after that, how to change this? You can just this. Finish. So this like same means, but this I want regular or like this regular. After that, I not want 614, but I want just 5. No, I not want 640, but I want 15. No. I want just maybe this. Okay, finish. So this 4 or 5 seconds. So this I want no problem. Up to you. I just example guys. This is after that repeat again like this before that. So this I choose you don't not same. This V is little. This F is big. You must like after that this what regular. So I have regular or regular. So after that I choose one again. No. This version. Sometimes this can just blow or you can check this. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Okay, bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.